a step-by-step guide to launching your business on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Etsy, Target, Shopify, and Wayfair. Hey there, future e-commerce mogul. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of online retail and explore various business models to help you kickstart your success on platforms mentioned in the beginning. Let's start with an overview of the key business models. Private label means selling products under your brand name. You find a manufacturer, customize the product, and sell it as your own. Steps to start. Market research, identify a niche with demand, manufacturer hunt, find a reliable manufacturer, branding, create a unique brand identity, quality control, ensure top-notch product quality, listing creation, set up your product on the chosen platform. Advantages, build a brand from scratch, control over product and branding. Disadvantages, initial investment can be higher. Wholesaling involves purchasing products in bulk at a discounted rate and selling them individually for a profit. Steps to start: wholesalers search, find reputable wholesalers, negotiate favorable terms. Storage, consider storage options for bulk items. Platform setup, list products on chosen platforms. Advantages, lower per unit cost, established products with existing demand. Disadvantages, need storage space, limited control over branding. Retail arbitrage is the art of buying discounted products from retail stores and reselling them at a higher price. Steps to start: retail stores scouting, identify stores with deals. Product valuation, assess potential profits. Listing, create listings on your chosen platform. Advantages, quick entry, minimal upfront investment. Disadvantages, limited scalability, time-consuming. Online arbitrage is similar to retail arbitrage, but the purchases are made online. You take advantage of online sales and discounts. Steps to start: online deals hunt, scout for online sales, profit assessment, evaluate potential profit margins. Listing, create listings on your chosen platform. Advantages, wider product selection, can be done remotely. Disadvantages, competition with other online arbitrageurs, limited scalability. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Steps to start: supplier search, find reliable dropshipping suppliers. Online store setup, set up a store on platforms like Shopify. Marketing, drive traffic to your store. Advantages, minimal upfront investment, no need for inventory management. Disadvantages, lower profit margins, less control over product quality and shipping. Handmade involves creating unique, crafted products yourself. This is perfect for those with creative skills. Steps to start: crafting, create your handmade products. Photography, showcase your products through high-quality images. Etsy setup, list your items on Etsy, a platform for handmade and vintage goods. Advantages, unique products, direct connection with customers. Disadvantages, time-consuming, limited scalability. Remember, success in e-commerce takes dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. So go ahead, pick the model that resonates with you, and let the entrepreneurial journey begin. Happy selling! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.